Hi there! In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tune your flute when you're playing with other musicians. So in a band, you would typically tune on B flat. In an orchestra, you would be tuning on the note of A. So in either case, if you're playing and you notice that your sound is undulating with the other sounds around you, that tells you that you're out of tune. So if your sound is a little bit higher than the other sounds around you, then you need to flatten your sound. If you feel like your sound is under the other musicians around you, then you have to sharpen your sound. And there's an easy fix for this. Again, it's controlled with the head joint, and I just want to show you. There's a fine line that separates the silver here, and this part's a slightly different color. So if I push this in all the way, I can't see that end part of the foot joint anymore. This is the sharpest I can make my flute. So if my sound is flat, I want to push in the head joint. Conversely, if my sound is too sharp, then I want to pull the head joint out a little bit. And then you're going to start to see a little bit of that discoloration of the silver showing. And this is how you control your tuning on the flute. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.